So what are IMAP and POP? IMAP and POP are both protocols that allow email applications to access email on a server. IMAP, which stands for Internet Message Access Protocol, is a more modern protocol which allows email to be accessed and synchronized across multiple devices. IMAP was developed as an alternative to POP, which stands for Post Office Protocol. POP was developed in the early 1980s during a time when internet connections were slow, server storage space was limited, and you were likely to only use one device for email. This protocol is more of a one-way street that only allows for messages to be downloaded. While it can support multiple devices, there are many drawbacks to how POP implements this support. This video will explore the different ways multi-device support is handled by the two protocols and why IMAP is a better choice when using multiple devices to access your email account. So how do IMAP and POP support multiple devices? IMAP was built with multi-device support in mind. IMAP synchronizes all of the mailboxes and folders between the email client and the server using the information on the server as the master copy. This means that not only does your inbox stay up to date, but the sent folder and any custom folders stay up to date as well. IMAP also synchronizes each message's status. For example, whether the message is read or unread, or if any labels are applied to the message. With IMAP, if you read a message on one device, it will be marked as read on all devices. And if you delete a message on one device, it will be deleted across all devices, including the server. POP, on the other hand, is built for checking email with one device. By default, it downloads all of the email to a device and erases it from the email server. You can enable multi-device support by changing POP's settings so that it leaves the messages on the server. While this leaves a backup copy on the server that can be accessed by other devices, it creates other issues because it doesn't properly sync these messages. POP does not synchronize the email, so if you delete a message on one device, the message remains on the server and on any other devices you have downloaded the message to. This leaves room for duplicate messages to be downloaded and for your email inbox to fill up fast with old messages, which could exceed your email account's storage limits. POP also does not support multiple folders, which means the only folder it pays attention to is the inbox. Since POP only concerns itself with the inbox, mail sent from one device will not show up in another device's sent folder. Any custom folders created will also not be synced, which means you will have to reorganize your inbox on each device every time new messages come in. POP also does not keep track of a message's status, so if you read an email on one device and check your email on another device later, that same message will show as unread. It is possible to use both POP and IMAP at the same time, however this can cause some unexpected errors. If POP and IMAP attempt to download a message at the same time, this can cause the message to get fragmented and be unreadable. Sometimes, if messages are read by a device using IMAP, they will be ignored by POP since it thinks the messages have already been downloaded and read elsewhere. And if you don't have POP set up to leave the messages on the server, any messages downloaded by POP will be inaccessible by IMAP since they will have been removed from the email server. So where can you get IMAP email? All DreamerSci hosting packages support IMAP email and are built for businesses of all sizes. For more information, you can visit www.dreamersci.com, or you can chat with one of our friendly customer service representatives by calling 1-800-232-3989, or by emailing sales@pspinc.com. If you have any questions or need assistance, PSP Inc. is always here to help.